Hello learners, in the last video we learned how to install a Neo4j Desktop on your local system, and in this video we will learn how to use Neo4j Desktop and what are the different options available with this. So here you can see when we open a Neo4j Desktop you are able to get this screen by default. So here is this is a project panel. Here you are able to see all your project. Okay, and this is our database DBMS, and here you will check your all the databases like version and other things. Stop and stop your database, logs of your database, settings and plugins. Okay, and upgrade. Plugins are the means utility tools with the help of you can organize your database in a well manner. Okay, and apart from that, like if you have a multiple multiple databases are there, you can it will show you in a list form. Okay, and here you have the flexible to open into command prompt as well as open into browser file file explorer. Okay, and you can stop and start and stop your database. Okay, and because to use a Neo4j database you require graph apps. So from this option you can install or uninstall graph app. Graph app Available graph app is Neo4j browser. It's a free tool, browser based tool, and this is a Neo4j Bloom. It's a means commercial one. You need to pay something for this, and this is a graph and other tool also available. And this is a notification panel. So here you will get all the updates and other product related notification here, and this is a setting. Here you can set the offline mode and check the path of your Neo4j installation directory, and also enable the development mode. And soft key, here you can add your own soft key. Here you need to add your soft key, and apart from there is a about here you check which version you are using and what are the notes there and notification licenses. Okay, let's stop this and close this as well. Okay, now let's move to our project, and here you can create a new project, new, and you can change the name of this testing. Okay, and to add a new database here, create a local database and give this name to testing, and password is whatever you want to give this testing at 123. Create. It will take some time. when it's done, you are able to see your database here. Okay, and because it no file, so you are not able to see any file here. Okay, and right now there is no active database in this Neo4j Desktop. To make a active database, to activate your database, you need to click on your database and click on start. It will take some time. When it's activated, you are able to see your activated database here. And talking about these files, like here you will check in a newly created database there is no file, but here you are able to see there are two files are there. Basically these are the file which where are this database structure is defined. Okay, so when it's activated, you will check, you are able to see this database here, and you also check your newly created database also here. Okay, and to stop this database, you just need to click on this and stop. Apart from this, there are some another option. If you want to manage, remove or clone your database, for manage, this is a window which is come here, like this, or you will get this from here as well. Manage, and you can also clone and remove. Okay, and you can also add plugin like these from here. Okay, so that's all for this video. Please subscribe, share, and share my channel and videos if you like. Thank you very much.